Explore the differences between demo and session modes for managing your View Studio wall. The Settings page in View Studio allows you to select between Demo and Session mode. This setting determines who can connect to the wall. In Demo mode, anyone with a valid View Studio account can connect by scanning the QR code or using the wall ID. This mode is ideal for demos or public interactions, but offers less security. Session mode is designed for controlled environments where you need stricter control access. After setting the wall to session mode and clicking Save, you can manage connections more securely. Use the Sessions tab to control access. You can enable or disable access for listed users with a checkbox next to their name. If a user without access tries to connect, they will receive an error, while granting access allows them to control content from their device. Revoke access at any time by unchecking the box, or remove users entirely by disconnecting them. You can reset all sessions to default, removing active connections, or refresh the user list to check for new connection attempts. If you're managing multiple walls, use the drop-down menu to select which wall to control. This feature is particularly useful for studios with multiple setups. Thanks for watching. For more tutorial videos like this one, visit our YouTube channel. For access to our knowledge base or technical support, visit our support site at view.network/support. To contact support directly, email us at support@viewstudio.com or call us at 888-575-1510.